right, guys, we caught a couple flounder today, a couple real nice ones. We're going to show you how to clean these fish real quick. First thing you want to do is make an incision right down the spine. And then come right along below the fin. These flounder will actually have 4 separate fillets on them. 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So Big Al's coming across the top part here. He's just going to fillet it right along the bones and open it up right down the side. So you got your initial cut right down the middle, and then you go down the top on both sides, and he's going to fillet them right down. Come right down the side. Got the skin and all initially. Big slab of meat there. He's going to do the same thing on the other side. Get you a sharp knife anytime you clean fish. Ride right down along the bones. There it is. There's the top part. All right. All you do is flip him over. Same thing. Incision right down the middle. It's a little bit tougher on the bottom because the meat's a little bit thinner than on the top.
Yep, that's exactly right.
But you can see the incision better with the white belly. All he's trying to do there is feel for the bones. He's just going to ride the bones again with his knife. It is super windy. All he's doing is filleting it right back, riding along the bones on the edge. If you notice, he's taking his time to make sure he gets all the meat off the bones. Trim it right back along the edge. And there it is. If you hold him up sideways, see right there, you got all the meat off. Yep. 4 really nice fillets here. All right, guys, some of you want to leave the skin on, but we're frying up fish tonight, so Big Al's going to cut the skin off. All he's doing is pinching it with his fingers down on the bottom, riding the knife right along the skin, all the way up to the top. Taking the skin right off. So all he's left with is the skin, and we're just going to discard it. That right there, guys, is how you clean a flounder. Hope you enjoy the video.